Concern is growing over environmental and health impacts from a jet fuel spill in the James River.
Yeah, thousands of gallons spilled from Huntington Ingalls Industries' Newport News Shipbuilding last Friday. Lytle spoke to a representative from the Chesapeake Bay Foundation about why the spill worries them.
Yeah, that spill initially thought to be north of 7,000 gallons of jet fuel. Now that number has been trickled down just below 5,000. I'm told, regardless of the number, by a member of the Chesapeake Bay Foundation, that there could be toxic and devastating impacts to our wildlife.
Initially, we were very concerned.
Lisa Renee Jennings with the Chesapeake Bay Foundation says the spill of 4,722 gallons of fuel into the James River can take a toll on the wildlife found nearby.
You can see how quickly it spreads and coats literally everything it touches. And being that oysters can't move out of the way, birds are going to swim through it. Those toxicity levels, we will see impacts from that.
That concern already may be turning into an unfortunate reality.
Someone had located some birds that were in trouble. It depends on when those birds were found and what can be done quickly to get that off of the birds.
In a release by Huntington Ingalls Industries' Newport News Shipbuilding, we're told once fuel was seen in the river, crews stopped the fuel transfer and initiated cleanup and remediation efforts. Neighbors nearby say the health concerns started immediately.
They were coughing, their dogs were having respiratory problems when they were walking.
HII officials say the spill happened Friday, but residents believe the public was not notified until several days later, making Alan Gutman confused about the company's priorities.
It seemed like we weren't the priority, even though the public was contacting local agencies, contacting state agencies, contacting the Coast Guard. Why did they feel like the public should not know?
The U.S. Coast Guard, U.S. Navy, and other agencies are now assisting in the cleanup. Jennings is hopeful the damage can be limited.
We hope that all officials are working together, local, state, and federal, to clean it up, remediate, and also follow it as it goes through.
Lytle, 13 News Now.
And that HII spokesperson told 13 News Now teams have removed hundreds of gallons of fuel, but it's not clear when cleanup efforts will finish. The latest updates can be found on the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality website.